Yeah, I'm gonna give him some water. Hey guys, watch me learn how to install windshield wiper blades on my Honda Civic. So I'm on the first windshield wiper, as you can see, and I couldn't figure out for the life of me how to take the first blade off. I couldn't even figure out how to get the windshield wipers up at first, but as you can see, I figured it out and now I'm on to the first blade. So I thought that click I heard, or that sound, was the click I was looking for, but as you can see, it wasn't, because now I'm reading the directions, because I was confused, because it didn't go into the U-shaped hook like it was saying. Nice. See, I know I can do it. Who's that girl? Now all you gotta do now is take the other blade off. Okay, period. Now I'm gonna show you guys what's next. Now mind you, the blades are different sizes and the driver is longer than the passenger. Bite steel.
It's supposed to look like that?
Yes.
How you know?
I gotta take this off, but I didn't take it off yet.
Oh,
I'm back, but here's me looking confident even though I have no idea what I'm doing.
why is it bent?
Bro, once you put it on the car, it'll be fine.
Okay.
I guess. Okay, period is done, and I had to make sure it was all sturdy and whatnot. Listen to that engine. Yeah, look. Huh? Look at me being such a cutie pie, not knowing how to turn the camera off. My mom was trying to show my trash, but anyway, that's how you install your windshield wiper blades on your 2019 Honda Civic. Bye.
You hit the off thing.
I don't know what to do. Is this it?
Yeah.